Good morning, everybody. I'm out today specifically to look for a particular bird, a bearded reedling. I've only ever seen one once and I've never photographed one. So I've come out on what I think is probably the calmest day. I've come to Ouse Fen. I know they're here, I've heard them here, and I know that people have seen them here already this season. You need a calm day really because they like to go to the top of the reeds. So actually trying to photograph them on a breezy day, and it does get quite breezy up here on Ouse Fen, is really difficult. So that's why I've come today. It's not quite as bright as I thought it was going to be. It's still quite early. It's about 8 o'clock. I've got a couple of hours because I know the road is closed coming to the fen later today for a few hours. If you've been here before, you'll know that the road along the river is a bit dodgy, to say the least. And apparently it's been inspected today, so it's going to be closed. So I've got a few hours. I'm hoping the sun's going to come out a little bit. It is due to today. I've got quite thick cloud cover. There are a few chinks of blue in there. But anyway, so let's get sorted and go for a walk and see if we can find these bearded reedlings. I've just got out of the car and there's a marsh harrier flying over there. I haven't got the camera or anything out yet. I don't know if you can see him. So, bearded reedlings, they're clever. They change their diet during the year. So, over the summer months they eat insects. And now as we're getting towards autumn and winter, they change to seeds. Hence, this is the time where you tend to see them as they come to the top of the reed heads to take the seeds. You rarely see them in the summer. In fact, they're actually quite a rare bird. There are only a few places you can see them. Okay, I found them. They're in these reeds. I can hear them. I've just seen one fly in. He's quite low down. Definitely Merlin's picking up the calls, so I'm going to hang around here for a little while. So, a bit disappointing, but that's what happens. Wildlife gets unpredictable. I definitely saw a few deep in the reeds moving around, because I could hear them calling. I could just see the reeds moving. Couldn't actually see any birds. So, yeah, a bit disappointing. Got about another half an hour here and then I need to go, so we'll just carry on round and see if we can find anything else. It's very quiet this morning. Then suddenly things started to look up and I could see a bittern on the other side of this pond. Oh my God, how frustrating. I was just about to do a close to camera and I turn around and there's bearded reedlings right next to me. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera down now. So I'm back home now. I didn't get a chance to sign off. I needed to leave. As I said, the road was going to be closed. But just after I put the phone down from that last recording, the bearded reedlings did come to the front of the reeds and I did manage to get some pictures. So I'll pop those up for you now. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.